Hello there, welcome back to Between the Keys. Another Elton John song for you today on the, what is it today, the 28th, 29th? 29th. This one is a big tune. I just did Your Song, that's an easier, slower tune, but Saturday Night's Alright is a bit heavy, isn't it? Much heavier. So we've got, what it says for my intro is G over D, F over C. But I actually hear the guitarist doing some of that instrumental stuff from later in the song where it's like, and what that actually is F down to C. And I'm playing C over here in the bass, but it's not really the bass, I'm in the middle of the piano. You could play it lower. And then E flat to B flat. And later in the song it goes down again, down to B flat and F. And then F to C. So again, Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright, Saturday night's alright. But in the intro it just does it like half as much. Something like that. And then we hit a G chord to start off with our verse. And the verse starts with, it's getting late, have you seen my mates? Let's get the right, let's find the right, right melody note. Tell me when the boys get here. It's getting late, have you seen my mates? So it's pretty high up there. It's getting late, have you seen my mates? Tell me when the boys get here. It's 7 o'clock and I wanna rock, wanna get a belly full of beer. So you could sing it down the octave if it's too high. It's getting late, have you seen my mates? Tell me when the boys get here. G down to F. We're going up to C. It's 7 o'clock and I wanna rock, wanna get a belly full of beer. And you can play those chords just like that, hold them, or you can play them like this. So if I was performing this, it would be like this. It's getting late, have you seen my mates? Tell me when the boys are here. 7 o'clock and I wanna rock, wanna get a belly full of beer. My old man's collected that I borrow for monkeys, and my old lady, she don't care. My sister looks good and her dress is boots. I have a breeze in her hair. So it's the same chords going around there. G, F, C, and G. G, F, with some bass, C, G, and again, G, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, C. Alright, and then we go to a D minor 7, and that's your note. It's a G. Do you sing a G, I mean? And we're going to the chorus. Now the chorus is C, down to B flat, down to F, and back to C. Let's do it. Don't give us none of your aggravation, how to be disciplined. Saturday night's alright for fighting, get a little action in. I believe there's one of those before the chorus comes in, so. Voice is going. Get a balance on as a piece on train, down a six dance line. Cause Saturday night's the night I like. Saturday night's alright, alright, alright. Alright, let's look at those chords. Saturday night's alright, alright, alright. So that's the C chord. Saturday night's alright. And then we've got some bass movement. So it stays on C. Alright, alright. it's C over E, C over F, C over F sharp, and then G. Now the C over F sharp does sound weird, but because it's a passing chord, and in fact you don't need to play the chord every time, you could just hold it. So you could play the octaves in the bass, and you could go like that. Or you could play the chord every time, who cares? Can't really hear it anyway, unless the bass is really loud, but you'll be fine. Alright, alright. And then we go to C minor 7, which is here, or here, or here. Those are the inversions, right? It really helps to know your chords in all the positions. I actually think it sounds best here, and I double the fifth because I've got big hands, so I can hit the G's. So C minor 7 over E flat, down to D7, and later on in the song, when it does that again, it actually tells me to play D minor 7, flat 5. So instead of D dominant, D minor 7, flat 5, which is that, D minor 7, and flatten the 5. So, and I think the minor sounds, do I think it sounds better? I'm not sure. I think it sounds better to play D7. And it actually says sus4, and the 4 in D is a G. So D7 sus4 would be something like that. You could play it there, or you could play it here. I actually think is the best. D7 like that. But anyway, it's preference. I guess you could play the 3rd and the 4th. Something. Nah, I think that one. Just standard D7 is fine. Anyway, and then it goes to an instrumental section. It goes G down to F. Packed pretty tight in here tonight. Looking for a dog who'll see me right. And we're back into the verse. So twice. Here's the second time. Packed pretty tight in here tonight. Down to F. I'm looking for a guy who'll see me right. C. I mean, he's a little nothing to get what I need. I'm sick of little drink and shout, she's with me. I'm sick of little drink and shout, she's with me. She's with me. She's with me. Pretty high, right? Couple lot of sounds that I really like. All the sounds of a switchblade and a motorbike. Juvenile got a couple working class. Best friend blows in the bottom of the glass. Don't give us none of your aggravation. We had to be disappointed. Saturday night's a rock for party. Get a little naturally. Get about as loud as a diesel train. We're down the circumstance of life. Saturday night's the night. Saturday night's alright, alright, alright. And here comes the instrumental. That thing I showed you at the start of the video. Oops. And again. Chorus again. Whoa, there's one of them first. So oh, don't give us none of your aggravation. We had it with your discipline. C to B flat. F, Saturday night's alright for fighting. C, get it action in. C again. Get about as old as a diesel train. B flat, on the circumstance alright. F, Saturday night's the night I like. Saturday night's alright, alright, alright. That time I played the minor 7 flat 5. Both of them work, both of them work. And then we've got the chorus pattern again, that sort of That's the danger there, because you're playing black notes up there. You don't want to miss them and hit any other weird notes there. So if you're having trouble with this bit, you need to slow it down. You need to play this part slowly. And then you've got to do that while singing, if you're that kind of player. Oh, there's a bird. Landed on the roof of my, well, not my, but the conservatory. Get away, bird. All right. Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright. Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright. Oh, nearly had it. Saturday night's alright. It's quite hard to play that last bit and sing at the same time, so got to figure that out. Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright. Damn it. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday night's alright. That's going to be the problem part there. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday night's alright. God damn it. Again. Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright. That's how I'm going to cheese it. Saturday, Saturday, Saturday night's alright. I'm just going to play a C at the end when I'm singing. Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright. Saturday, 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 Saturday night's alright. As always, thanks for watching Between the Keys. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you enjoy this content. If you have any requests, put them in the comments below. Saturday night's alright. I hope this video helped you to learn the song Saturday Night's Alright by Elton John. As I said, please click like and put your comments below if you have any songs you want to learn. Stay tuned for the next one, which on my cruise set list for this one, I have 6 different set lists for the cruise performance coming up. Cruise, going to go on the cruise 4 months. Might stay on for an extra 2 and do 6, not sure yet. We'll find out. Probably just do 4, but we'll see. Kiss by Prince is the next one on this list. So stay tuned for that on Between the Keys. And I'll see you there. 'Cause Saturday night's alright.